Want to know how to register or create an account in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your plantnet.org website. So you can just simply open up in a web browser and type in that. So once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing register right here. That should be right beside sign in. So just simply select it. So once you have selected register, here you should be seeing various options. So you can either send with your email address, add manually, and or just hit towards sign in with Google and then sign in accordingly. So you can just simply select it, and now another page should open up. And now you can just simply select any one of your account that you want to sign in from, and now you're good to go. As you can see, you have successfully been logged in to PlantNet. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.